In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into or enable safe mode with networking on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and then select the Power button and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. It should say please wait, just give it a moment here. And if you're unable to boot into Windows, you could just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, meaning just turn on your computer and then press the power button just to do a hard power off. It's not the best for your computer hardware, but if you're unable to boot into Windows, you can try that as well. And then once you have the choose an option screen, select troubleshoot and then select advanced options. Select startup settings and then select restart. And then if you tap the function 5 or F5 key, you can enable safe mode with networking as it says on this page, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.